In this video, I will tell you how to print the PDF dunning letters in the NetSuite dunning letters bundle. To print dunning letters, you must first generate the PDF files using the dunning PDF printing queue on the dunning dashboard. After generating the PDF files, you can go to the file cabinet to download and print the letters, including the invoices and statements associated with them. The PDF files are also saved on the Communication subtab on the customer record. When the dunning evaluation runs, dunning letters that are ready for printing will be shown in the dunning PDF printing queue only if the Allow Letters to be Printed box has been checked on the customer or the invoice records, like here, the customer records, and that's the Allow Letters to be Printed box. So to print the dunning letters, I will go into Setup, Dunning PDF printing queue. So on that page, you are able to search, as you can see, across different fields for the PDF that you want to print. So let's use some of the filters. The customers, for example, I can search for Smith. That's the customers you want it to be addressed. The subsidiary, that can be quite useful also to narrow down. The dunning procedures, if you know the dunning procedures that you're searching. The level, watch my videos on dunning procedures and level. If you haven't watched them, that means you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so do it now. The apply to, so that's either customer, invoice, or invoice group. And the ones on the right, the 4 fields here, are quite interesting, maybe a bit harder to understand. The last letter sent start date, you enter the date when all letters last sent on that date, and all the ones later will be displayed. For the end is the same but before, so earlier. Evaluation start date is the same idea, so it's the date when all letters whose dunning evaluation started or ended on that date, and later or earlier if you use the end date. If you do not select any value in the filters, all dunning letters that are ready for printing will be displayed in the list here that you see. So when you're ready, you just click on search in top left or bottom left. Then I'm sure you will be very familiar with how to handle the tables. As you can see, you have a bunch of things that can be useful. Mark all and mark all, because every record will have a checkbox. And then you have the option print. So the option print will generate the dunning letter in PDF format. The attachment specified in the dunning letter template, again there's a video on that, so go have a look, are also generated. After you've generated that PDF, so the records for the letters will be removed from the queue and added to the recently sent printed dunning letters on the dunning dashboard. The system also sends you an email notification with a URL that you can click to reach the generated PDF files that will be in the file cabinet. To print the generated PDF files, you will go to Documents, Files, and then File Cabinet. I will leave. So you will go here into the dunning letters PDF folders. The folder is created for every batch that you print. A folder contains the PDF letters in the batch you generated along with the attachments. If an attachment is too heavy, I think the limit is 5 megabytes, the system will split it into multiple files. And the folder name usually starts with batch underscore and then it's a timestamp. If you print multiple batches in a day, the folder name will also include the batch number incrementally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you choose the folder, you just click the download link of a PDF letter to open and print it. And I think that's about it. I mean, the file structure of the PDF will also follow a specific structure that I'm not going to go right now over it. So that's about it for generating the PDF dunning letters. Do a dry run, try maybe on a test customers or your NetSuite sandbox to give it a try. If you want something that's a bit more flexible or has some more advanced option for your dunning, then you should go have a look at kolleno.com, Kolleno. If you like this video, please give it a like and see you in the next one. Bye bye.